Hey y'all, Beto with Beto's Barbecue, coming to you live, well, it's recording, but coming to you from Puebla, Mexico. Retired from Florida about 4.5 years ago, and today, big thing is of course that Vortex that they cook on the Weber kettle grills. Got me a Master Touch 22-inch, and doing my version of the hack, which I've seen others do, so I didn't invent this technique, but instead of spending $50, $60, whatever they're going for these days for these Vortex, just got me about a $3 stainless steel pan from like Walmart. Turn this over here. My plan is I'm going to cut it on the lines here, kind of made like a, I guess that would be hexagon, 6-sided, and so I just kind of used a marker to trace that out. It's a lot easier. I'm going to cut it with the Dremel. So it's good for straight lines with a cutoff wheel. Of course, you can do the whole circle, but you see I'm not going to lose much. And then we're going to take a little grinding wheel and grinding stone, I should say, and then take the burrs off. So I'm going to get to cutting, and we'll see how it goes. But I think it should be fine. The measurements are almost spot on to the real one, so I think it's going to be just fine. I plan to use this puppy for the first time when we do some wings for the Super Bowl. So let's get cracking. So this is kind of a knockoff Dremel, if you will. I don't know if they have that in the States, but I know they have them down here in Mexico. But it's a decent brand actually. So yeah, that's the plan. I'm just gonna take the cutoff wheel, gonna cut it along these lines, see what happens. So I'll be back at you once I get some of this cut into. Alright, we're getting underway here. I will say, sorry about the angle, I will say this this Dremel, rotary tool, he's cutting this like butter. Sorry about being a Miami Dolphins fan. I was born and raised in Miami, but safety always first. So I even have my barbecue gloves on just to make sure I don't get any burrs fly at me. And I'll just kind of show you what I'm doing here. It's hard with the camera this way, but we're just going to go in here. That's it, just follow the line. It's actually going pretty simple, so I think I'll have this knocked out in about another 3-4 minutes. Alright, there we go. Sharp, I gotta be careful, but we have done it. We got ourselves a Vortex. There's the plate there. I'm gonna get out one of these grinding stones, kind of show you what that looks like here. Just one of these simple grinding stones, and I'm going to clean up the edges here so it's not sharp, nobody gets hurt, and I'll show you the finished product here in just a few moments. Alright. Okay, we're just about done. One little burr left. Gonna hit that right here. Nice to do it. So, I think we got ourselves a Vortex. Do the glove test. Got my barbecue gloves on and nothing snagging. See, look at my finger here. I don't want to hurt myself, so I'm making sure it's nice and thorough. Nothing's catching. Looking good. Alright, let's see how this looks up on the grill here. Pardon my dust. Oh yeah, that's gonna look nice. What do you guys think? Yeah, that's gonna be just right. Okay, well, now we got to do the fit test, because I guess I didn't check the height here. I should have done that first, right? All right, well, let's check that out. So let's go. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Wow. Would you look at that? What do we got here? Wow. I don't know if you can see that or not. Maybe got like a 1/4 3/8 inch clearance. So that's basically perfect. Couldn't have planned it better. I'll have the dimensions down in the comments below, so of this particular bowl, but I basically took the dimensions that came off of the Vortex. So wow, that looks like it's gonna be really nice. Stagger my wings around there. You see it takes up almost the whole inner circle. So yeah, I think that's good. All right, well, I'll be trying this out shortly. Come back at you when I do, and we'll see how this works out. All right, Beto's Barbecue's out for now.